Hello, class. My name is Perkins-Sturdivant, and this is Tamaria and I's first data meeting recap. Here's a quick view of the agenda that we followed during our meeting. We reviewed notice and wonder protocols, presented data and information, determined what artifact could be used to support our data, and lastly, we created our slideshow presentation. What you see here is a color-coded grade book from Tamaria's data. Orange identifies students with IEPs. 9 through 10, blue is proficient. 7 through 8, green is advanced. 5 through 6, yellow is at risk. And 4 and below are red, which is below average. I base my data from Common Core standards for writing, 12th grade writing. The pie graphs show how students perform with each objective. Here are our notice and wonderings. I noticed that there is an average attendance rate. And Tamaria's wonder was, I wonder if students are engaged in class, what makes them want to come to class. So with the information that we received, we both talked about it and we discovered that student engagement can play a major role in a student's performance. Tamaria used standard 4.5 for her 4th grade math class. Here are Tamaria's pie graphs that I constructed to show if SPED students' goals are met in each lesson. Here are our notice and wonderings. I noticed that as a class, the class average remained below proficient. I wonder if students' attention levels decreased as school went on. This can lead back into student engagement. And I feel like the power of this meeting was both teachers were able to see that student engagement could be a huge effect in their classroom. Here's our list of artifacts that we will bring into our next meeting in order to support our data. Tamaria will bring student IEPs to support her SPED students, and I will bring student portfolios in order to help improve student engagement. And the reason I've decided to use student portfolios is because it gives you an idea of what type of student you have. You have different information from their previous times in school, and I felt like receiving their student portfolio and coming up with different activities and different labs or anything of that nature, you can get a lot of that information from their student portfolio. Our next meeting scheduled for June 11th, 2020.